I think one of the best ways to say you care is with food. And we all know that the best kind of food is dessert. Am I right? Whether you want to deliver cookies, brownies, cupcakes, Rice Krispie treats, or any other kind of dessert, I've got a really cheap and easy way to deliver them that looks impressive. That way, not only are you giving them the gift of great food, you're giving them this dessert stand that they can use to show off their treats for years to come.
Here's what you're going to need for supplies. You can create either a single layer dessert stand with just one plate, or make a double-decker stand with 2 plates. I'm going to make one of each here. So if you are making just a single layer, you will just need 1 dinner plate, and I find designs that I like at the Dollar Tree or Goodwill, and then you only pay between $1 and $3. If you were creating a double-decker dessert stand, you would also need 1 small coordinating plate, usually used for side dishes or desserts. For either design, you will need 1 taper candle holder. I always get these at the Dollar Tree for, $1. Next, you're going to need some E6000 glue. This can be found at Walmart, Target, any craft store, some grocery stores, and Amazon. This is a heavy-duty glue though, so make sure before you start to set up in a well-ventilated area. To get your plates and possibly your candlestick holder ready, you need to remove any labels or stickers. I use a product called Goo Gone that removes anything sticky with ease. After I've removed all the sticker, I wash the item with dish soap and use some rubbing alcohol to remove the residue from the Goo Gone. Now you're ready to start. If you're making this single layer dessert stand, apply the E6000 to the end of the candle holder that would hold the candle itself. Center the candle holder on the back of the plate and press down. At this point, shift it and move it until you're sure it's in the center. This glue will dry clear, so any excess that gets moved outside won't be visible. Now, just leave it alone for a few hours. I usually let mine sit overnight, just to be safe. If you've chosen to make a double-decker stand, apply the E6000 first to the bottom of the candle holder and center it in the middle of the top of the plate. Once you have that pressed down, apply glue to the top of the candle holder where the candle would sit. Center the back of the small plate on top of the candle holder and press down. Once again, there's a bit of shifting and moving to make sure everything is in the center. This glue takes a long time to dry, so take the time and make sure it's centered. And just leave it alone for a few hours. And now you're done. All that's left to do is load up your dessert stand with something yummy. To make gifting it even easier, you can attach one of these great tags to it that also mention that the stand should only be hand washed. You'll find a link in the description down below. Happy crafting!